Good morning everyone, namaste. So today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful coffee using a pour over method. For this pour over method I have a beautiful coffee brewer which has a top portion which is ceramic and the bottom portion. This is the one mug which can catch the coffee. This is the top bowl, the brewer, and I have a nice filter, a paper filter. So you don't have a paper filter, it's not a worry, but you can use, that's it, okay? So not a problem. So then I have a beautiful coffee grinder and my beautiful spoon, some hot water. I have freshly roasted coffee beans from the tree, and I've roasted them, pre-roasted them, and to medium roast. Okay, so I'll put this in my grinder just for one person. Okay, this is what I do early in the morning, and some sugar. You can use this or you can use actual sugar. There's lovely milk, and I'll get a cup for you. And now let's start grinding. Okay, you need to coarsely grind. Okay, coarsely grind, and once all the beans are brown, the grinds will go down and settle in this box. Okay, we will then put it into this filter and then start brewing the coffee using the hot water. All right, so now I've got my water ready, my grinding has been done. Let me introduce you to this ground coffee powder. Okay, there you go, and then there you go. Then I will use, say, 1, 2. I need a bit, the coffee to be a bit stronger. So let me just put everything here. It's 4 small teaspoons, and everything is here and nicely settled in the center. Okay, now let's pour make sure you have to just put that much, which will just be a cup. You should not overfill, but go in a circular motion. Okay, let's do the circular motion. Okay, you can go up to the brim, just not a worry. Circular motion, and I think it's full, so we will stop. Okay, and then it'll slowly go down. Okay, once it's all down, that means you have got your cup of coffee. It's time then to, it just takes you a few minutes to pour it in the cup, add your sugar, add your milk, stir it a bit. There you go. So I'll wait for 2 minutes till it settles down. All right, so it's time now for me. It's all settled down. Okay, you can see, voila, that's it, all settled down. So we take this away. Okay, and my coffee is here, right? Okay, I need to pour it. There you go, lovely coffee. Okay, some milk. All right, give it a good stir. Put this back. Cheers guys, enjoy this lovely coffee. Thank you for watching this video, and let's do more videos together, and keep tuned in to my channel and subscribe, and I will keep you all entertained as long as I can. Thank you. Anything for coffee, right? Wow, it's number one. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your day. Have a lovely day.